right, greetings everyone. Our people, Igbo land, southeast as I'm speaking to you is on fire. All these politicians keep deceiving us, telling us that the people that are causing insecurity in southeast are Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa. Look at what is happening in our homeland. For those of you that have been supporting this politician, labeling our people terrorists, look at what is happening. How are you going to explain this? They told us that the people causing insecurity in southeast are Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Mazi Simon Ekpa. But today, look at what is happening. This incident was happened today, being the 16th day of December. Then how are we going to explain this? I'm bringing this to the world for them to know what is happening in the southeast. That the southeast, that the Nigerian government is championing to eliminate all the indigenous people of the southeast. Look at what is happening. Why is it that the Nigerian government are going in rampagely and unaliving the innocent civilians and burning their houses? In the name of what? Now they have succeeded in sentencing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now after sentencing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and yet what is still happening in Southeast is still happening. Then who is responsible to this? The people is responsible for all these atrocities that is happening in Southeast are nothing but the politicians. The politicians, the oppositions are battling for the gaining ground. That is why they will use the so-called repented Boko Haram. They will use it against our people. And the people that lead the way are the Ebubago, our own people. That is why I keep telling that we are fighting an internal and external war in Biafra land. Because the people that leading the way is our people. The Ebubago people are the people leading the way to the terrorists to come and unalive our people. Why is it that the Nigerian government are unaliving our people, burning their houses? Are we at war? Is it not when the country is at war that is they start burning people's houses? Look at it. When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu keep telling us that go and serve Nigeria and come back in shame, how are we going to explain this? We are calling on the international community. We are bringing this to the world. We are bringing this incident, this atrocities before the world, for the international community to come to our aid. I'm calling on USA to come and see what is happening in our homeland. The Nigerian government have determined to wipe away the southeasterners from the surface of their ancestral land. Look at the evidence here. They are not hiding it. How can the Nigerian government that can never defeat a common terrorist in the north, a common terrorist that cannot defeat a terrorist, are now coming after unarmed civilians and start burning their houses in Igbo land? Now they have succeeded in sentencing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Who is next to be blamed? If not for the politician. The same politician that have been deceiving us is all this while, telling us that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Mazi Simon Ekpa and his boys are the people that are the problem the Southeast is having. Today they have succeeded in sentencing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Then who is to be blamed now? This is a clear evidence that the politicians are the people committing all these numerous atrocities in Biafra land. Look at what is happening today in our homeland. Look at it. They are not hiding it. Last time, this useless Governor Umai, the minister of work now, come out and start telling us that that the Southeast is now okay, that we should forget about Biafra, that the present Nigeria is doing well. They have remembered the people of Southeast. Look at the evidence. Look at what they have remembered. They have remembered us by unaliving our people. They have remembered us by burning our homes. Through the embargo they have funded. Through these reintegrated terrorists, this Boko Haram, they brought into our land to start burning our homes. Our people are not sleeping in their homes. This is exactly the lies the politicians have been keep lying to us in this construction called Nigeria. And finally, this is exactly what they have been saying. Even in the extent that the governor of Benue State lied the same lies, and eventually the USA come to witness what really happened, and what the US saw was so barbaric. What they do is that they will come to your home and they will destabilize the place, and they will force you to flee from your home. You start looking for IDP camp to resettle for your life, and you are telling me that you are not at war. I don't know how we want me to explain this to you people, that Nigeria government have determined to wipe the Southeast. If not that they determined to wipe the Southeast, the same Nigeria government approached the USA and the UK to recognize IPOB as a terrorist organization worldwide. What did they got in return? Look at the evidence here. Look at it. The UK and the US then they rejected it. They say, look, these people are not terrorists. Why are you forcefully labeling these people a terrorist organization? The people that never committed even 1/10 of what the you call the sole government have committed so far, and you are pushing forward in labeling these people a terrorists. They do not see any evidence to take label these people a terrorists, and yet you are destroying their life. That is to say that the people committing all these atrocities in our homeland are the politicians, the oppositions. If anyone failed from their political career, they will now start looking in one way or the other where they will start, committing mayhem, and they will turn back and tell you, oh, he's the IPOB. Oh, he's Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's boys. Oh, he's Mazi Simon Ekpa's boys. Today, who are they going to blame? Look at it here. They are not hiding it. All these integrated terrorists that are come to our land and start on the life of our people are the same people. It is our own people that brought them in. Ebubago was sponsored by these politicians just for their own political interest. And today, look at what we have gotten in return for the hand of this Ebubago. Who is funded this Ebubago? The past and the present politicians, the past and present governors in Southeast. They are the people that funded this Ebubago. Now today, look at what we have gotten in return from the hand of this Ebubago. The people that you claim to be safeguarding your own people are the people who are now turn around on a life in your people and bringing in terrorists to start burning people's home. How are we going to explain this to our people? How are we going to explain this to the world? It is no longer news. So how are we going to fold our hand and watch all this happening in daily basis? And yet all these politicians are getting away with it without any remorse. They are not giving up anytime soon. And you are telling us that we should keep quiet? It shall never and it can never be well with anybody. Anybody, be you the politician, be you the Ebubago, be you whoever that is involved in this atrocity that is happening in our motherland, in Biafra land. It shall never be well with you and your family. It shall never be well with you and your generation, because you are making life miserable to our people. How are you going to sleep with your two eyes closed while you are destroying another people's life? Now that the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is no longer in the picture, now that Mazi Simon Ekpa is no longer in the picture, who are they going to blame? This is a clear evidence that the politicians are the part and parcel of the insecurity that is going on in Southeast, just for their political career. Look at the evidence. You, the doubting Thomases, that whenever we bring this evidence to show to the world, you start telling us, oh, that is the IPOB causing it. Is this the same the IPOB? Why are they destroying the life of the common man and yet burning their homes? Burning the home that they built with their hard-earned money. Why are they doing this? What is their mission? And their mission being that they don't want you to exist. They want to wipe you away from the surface of the land. And if we don't act now, it will be so too late and so disastrous. That is why I keep telling you that all these Southeast and South politicians, they can never go unpunished for their evil that they have committed so far against our people. These people have done a lot of numerous atrocities against our people just for their political career. This is exactly what we have been saying, that Nigeria government can never work, and it can never work. The only solution left in this country is just disintegration. Divide this country and save life. Please, I'm urging the US. Please, I'm urging the international community. Come to our aid. Our people are perishing. Our people are, the Nigerian government are using their terrorists to unalive our people and burning their home in daily basis. And the worst part of it is that you will not see this in their national television, because they want to keep it in silence until they perfect their mission. And we say no to it. We say no to it because this is barbaric. This is a second Biafra war. This is, I said, this is a complete second Biafra war. If it is not a second Biafra war, why is it that this Nigerian government are unalive our youth, killing our mothers, killing our children, and you are telling me that we are not at war? This is a complete genocidal war. Nigerian government are nothing but a terrorist. They are the people terrorizing their own people. Imagine a government terrorizing his own people. Is that not a terrorist? Is this not a genocidal war? This is a complete genocidal war against our people. So please, I'm urging the international community to look into this, because this is not an ordinary. The people that they have been accusing are no longer in the picture, and yet all these things are still happening. The past governors and the present governors are to be blamed. They are the people using our people, destroying their life for their political careers. So how are we going to continue folding our hand while all these atrocities are happening every day, and yet everywhere is moot, like as if everything is all right? Everything is not all right. This is so barbaric. The evidence is overwhelmed. Nigeria is not meant to be one. The North are practicing their own Sharia law, and they vow to defend it with their last blood. Then when you mention about Biafra, when you ever open your mouth say you are a Biafra, they will unalive you. So please, my people, share this video. If you want international community to look into this, please share this video widely, because we are not giving up anytime soon. We will keep voicing out until the Nigerian government remove all their terrorists in our homeland, because it's no longer funny. Why are they burning our homes if they do not have interior motive to eliminate our people? If they do not have a great agenda to destroy our lives, why are they burning our homes? Why are they laying live ammunition to our people? Look at it here. Don't be told. It's not story. It's life and direct. It happened today, being the 16th of December. Look at the live ammunition. How our people are going to celebrate their Xmas, this Xmas festival in their homeland, while all this thing is happening? So please, my people, I'm urging everywhere meaningful Biafrans, everywhere meaningful Southeasterners, to share this video widely. Share this video, because in doing this, we are sending the message across the globe.
15th of December.
Who am I? I'm only a messenger. If you love what I do here on this Global Love Channel TV, please do well to share this video widely. Share this video, and don't forget to touch your hand for subscribe button, like, and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever we upload a new video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. And in doing this, You are encouraging us to do more. And togetherness, we shall save life together. Till next time, see you in my next video. Bye for now. Thank you.